For examples number 4 and number 5, I'm going to let you draw them out, and then I'm going to see what they look like on Desmos, and you can compare your answers, right? So example number 4 from your table was y equals x cubed minus 12x plus 16, and number 5 was y equals x cubed. Was it negative x cubed? Okay, negative x cubed, sure? Plus, right, plus x minus 2. Okay, so I'm going to leave you with that to do. Remember, this one has a positive a value here in front of the x cubed, so that graph's going to look like this. This one's going to have a negative value, so it's going to be more negative and look like that. Okay, so you do that. I'll pause here and we'll come back and we'll see what the solutions look like on Desmos. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just briefly going to look at what these curves should look like on Desmos. So I'll start with this one here. Number 4 should look like this. Y equals x cubed plus 2x, minus 12x plus 16. Okay, so this is what your graph should look like. There's a turning point at 2 and 0, right, which is something you should know based on the x coordinates you've already found. And there's another turning point at negative 2 and positive 32, right? And the rest, so let me just highlight this. There's the one, there's the other, and there's this. Now later on we're going to see how to find this point of 0 and 16, which is also an important point, right, which I think we'll do with the same graphs. Okay, let's go to the last graph very quickly. That is y equals negative x cubed, right, plus 2x squared plus x minus 2. And that graph looks like this. You know, it's sloping negatively like that, with a turning point at negative 1 and 0, and 1.55 and 0.63. Okay, and then the y-intercept is at 0 and negative 2, something we already know, and those are the corresponding x-intercepts. So that's what your graph should look like. Okay, so I'm going to leave example number 4 and example number 5 for you to do on your own and see that you get this result and the other result that I showed you previously. Good luck.